Pull 2 booksters, X out of the spinner, tugboat, cheating. Everybody's been getting super premiums.
The golden eagle shield.
Have any good buffs? Like I'm looking for. Like,
I think you bet a certain amount. You bet a certain number.
I mean, super premiums are good, but you have any good buffs for them?
Nah, I didn't know. My
Is this the weapon?
come with no buff. Yeah, just the weapon.
It's just the weapon. Like, I mean, I take the weapon. I take the weapon to put the doing the copper campaign.
Right.
I mean, I cleaned out my inventory today because I was like leveling up my equipment.
2 evolved weapons from the spinner last week when I had the membership on, dog.
Man, I've been I like you not, Z. I've been pulling shit in my membership. I've been still pulling shit.
I guess you get like a better chance of getting if you do have membership. I guess.
I wouldn't say that, bro. Cause I really still pulling it like it ain't nothing. Like without.
Because I have like 25 days of membership left.
Like, my first day without my membership, I pulled them out of everything. Go the first day without the membership. I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna say with the membership how much I gotta go through.
Wow, you good? That's pretty good.
I had the first time I hit, I was going for the you know the little hand that got like 4 in the slot on?
Yeah. That gold hand?
Yeah, the gold hand. They gave me the original Mustang.
Oh, that's cool.
So, when they gave me the original Mustang, like, I was like, well, shit, you know. I was like, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go in this bitch again, see if I can't get that access, because I really need it. And, bonus time, I landed on the rainbow. When I landed on the rainbow, and then all I seen was statues. But I like, you know how you click it real fast? The only thing I didn't do was statues. The only thing I did was statues. And so I just hit a hit, and then right after this, like I had went to my episode, and like, before I went into the episode, before I went to the episode, I only had one golden statue. Let me take my episode, I had 3 golden statues. Get this other golden statue. If I was born, I don't think I could keep it. I was like, this is what they gave me. I was like, they gave me this. But this is the first day. They did this. I haven't ever since.
Something that's good. I just need like an anti-warrior for my secondary, so I'll be good. Unless it's that cowboy suit.
Like if they can't get behind, like I had Ember Solution, I'm pretty sure that it was probably but a lot of people only way they get accumulate to get behind. But if they can't, like, probably make sure that they have or either level the field with the same before I had fast auto like I was different when I had fast auto got fast auto right now I say if I the already
No, I just need anti-warrior in my secondary.
I'm killing it. I kill niggas. Hey, we got a mech outside, yo.
You gonna play Call of Duty? BRZT Illuminati, I'm done.
I got you.
Let's try pizza. Well, why do you guys leave in the miracle? Come on. Yeah.
You got enough meter in America.
Tower. Yeah, boy, level 5 premium box. There you go. True Alpha did all the work. JK, he did.